Good morning, guys. After long time you are looking this face. Still I am not able to look my face of my dear students. It is too unfortunate to discuss with my dear students through this type of media. Anyhow, I informed you all yesterday. I would like to recall the memory of some aspects of standard costing, which we have discussed earlier through the group. Carefully listen what we are going to discuss about variation analysis. The variation analysis is an important aspect of standard costing, which is widely used to control the cost. We know by this stage that each product is made out of some kind of material or the other. So the production of a product involves material cost. As material is converted into finished product, the product cost involves direct wages also. So the cost of production of anything involve three types of cost at least: direct material cost, direct wages, and the overheads or indirect expenses incurred as well during the course of production. So it is the need of every producer to plan, to estimate, to predetermine what amount of cost is to be incurred in order to manufacture a given thing. The planning, estimation, budget, all are predetermination, forecasting the amount of expenditure to be incurred. But any estimation, any predetermination based on some technical estimates, now it is called as standard cost. The standard is fixed for each and every activity, each and every element of cost before actually it is incurred. It is in respect of material, standard cost of material. It is predetermined in respect of direct wages, standard labor cost, indirect expenses. Anything predetermined is standard overheads. So when it is predetermined, standard, calculated in advance, it may be different from the actual expenditure incurred on material, on labor, or in the form of overheads, right? These variation, the difference between the standard cost and actual cost, is called as variation, and this variation may be positive or negative, plus or minus, which is popularly known as favorable, adverse. If standard cost is more than the actual cost, the variation is favorable, denoted by capital F, put it in bracket. If the difference is negative, in the sense the actual cost incurred to manufacture a product is more than the standard cost, then it is called as adverse variation, denoted by capital A. So how to calculate this variation? It is the process of ascertaining the cost by differentiating the standard cost and actual cost. So let us take material cost variation. The material cost variation is nothing but the difference between the standard material cost and actual material cost. The variation in material cost is affected by two important reasons. One is the price of the material. The actual price of the material may be more or less than the predetermined price, that is standard price. The difference between the standard price of a material and the actual price of a material is called as price variance. Other one is usage variance, material usage variance. The quantity of materials to be used to manufacture a given quantity of output is predetermined. Standard quantity required to manufacture given volume of output. If the standard quantity of material used to manufacture given volume of output is more than the actual quantity of material to incurred in order to manufacture the same quantity of output, there is a variance. Or actual quantity may be more or less than the standard quantity. These two causes, variation in price, variation in the quantity of material consumed, is responsible for material cost variance. That is what we have discussed earlier, even with the help of equations. Material cost variance is equal to standard material cost minus actual material cost. It is because of two reasons.